Hey guys, Alex here with Apple Fan Bros with a Apple 60-watt MagSafe Power Adapter. The reason I'm doing an unboxing for this is because mine died, unfortunately, so I had to go out to the Apple store and spend $80 for a charger. It's crazy, but this just, I don't let it focus. 60-watt MagSafe power charger. Shows a picture of it. Apple logo, nothing. Then down here, it tells you what it can work on. Compatible only with MacBook and 13-inch MacBook Pro. Which I have the MacBook, if you guys didn't know. So, yeah, that's why I got it. So, a guy at the Apple store told me, and I already knew it. So, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the plastic is coming off. The box has a nice, matte black finish. I think you just, oh, yep, here we go. So, normal Apple design with this slide out. So here, if I can get it all the way off, okay. So here we have instructions. I'm not going to open that. It just shows you how to use it. It's not that amazing. Then right here we have the brick itself. See, here's the brick, and then in this little box here is the MagSafe itself. There it is, all of its glory, and it comes with a little tiny head and also the long one. I'm going to be using this one. So yeah, thanks for watching. This was an unboxing of the MagSafe Power Adapter, and yeah, peace. I think you just, I don't know if you, I'm pretty sure you just slide it out like this. Come on. Huh, hold on. It's even smarter than the box.